Jai Jagannath. So today we will show you how to sing Sri Jagannath Mahaprabhu's Gajarana Besa. It's called Hathi Besa also. So we will start and I will tell you how it means, what is the story behind this and what is the spiritual significance behind this. So there are about 10 to 11 parts of this Besas. So you can see here Mahaprabhu will be like Sri Ganesha. Means there is a mantra and there are some songs are bhajans are there. They tell like Mahaprabhu is the giver of knowledge when means in the form of Sri Ganesha. So this Besa is actually based upon one devotee. The story is quite interesting and it's like a journey of means a devotion and a devotee and divine. There is a devotee called Ganapati Bhattacharya, as he is from Maharashtra. So in Maharashtra, as you know, everything is Sri Ganesha. So when he came to Puri, he saw he got a divine darshan of Mahaprabhu. When he got that divine darshan, he saw that, see, I came here for darshan of Param Brahma. So here I cannot see because my Param Brahma is Sri Ganesha, so I cannot see him. So it's means when Mahaprabhu means when the feeling came, Mahaprabhu responded to that, and means when he is about to leave the day of Snana Purnima, just when he saw behind that, so Mahaprabhu and all his siblings were like Ganesha. So you can see here Mahaprabhu has the black elephant and see our Sri Prabhupada there is like white elephant. So if you follow our Instagram page, if you not follow it, please follow us. There we are posting many research about this. We have posted some news about. We have posted something about the secret of this Besas. So these four, like Sri Sudarshan, Sri Jagannath Mahaprabhu and Devi Subhadra and Sri Prabhupada, everybody are saying that at the same time all are Brahma, but different characteristics. So this is one of the most spiritual Besa, like he is everything. Mahaprabhu is everything. You cannot compare him with some gods because everything is from him and everything starts with him and ends with him. So if you see he is not a human like face, and you can see every god and every guru's in his face. So when you this is called the Ardhachandra, the Odiyan. This is the traditional dress of Odisha, and every god gets that. So if you are willing, because it's Snana Purnima, he will. If you want to know about Snana Purnima more, we have a video called how to perform the Snana Purnima, and after Snana Purnima, Mahaprabhu will go to Anasarpura, means he will meditate and he will recover himself. Because as he is Daru Brahma, he will because the body is made of wood only. So when you pour water and when you do Abhisekam, the body will get affected by the water. So he will go to Anasarpura for recover himself. They say it's the meditativeness he will meditate there. When you will see the during Anavasara, Mahaprabhu's this figure will not worship in a temple. There will be Yagyanandana and Vasudeva, the forms is like Vishnu and Shiva and Devi is meditating in Anavasara. It's like resurrecting themselves for their devotees, because they will go out to meditate devotees. So here he is. So they are looking like to means 3 elephants. So is the complete one. Maybe we have a doubt about Devi Subhadra has means I think he doesn't have this. Maybe this means this is the one kind of yes, Subhadra Devi doesn't have these things. So how it is? So there is a most significant spiritual benefit of this Vesam and this day. If you are means if you are doing sadhana on Ganesha and you are devotee of Sri Ganesha, this is the best day to do sadhana. That's why means all the gods means Sri Jagat Mahaprabhu is coming with this basis in the particular day, the day of Snana Purnima. Purnima is full of spirituality. So make use of it. And if you want this basis for your Mahaprabhu, we have means for every suggest we have this basis. If you want these things for Mahaprabhu, for your Mahaprabhu, please let us know. We will provide you with for your home deity. Jai Jagannath. Namaskaram.